guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a very quick and an easy tutorial on how to get those pink, kissable and soft lips back. Kissable is not my adjective, it is what they call it. So the ingredients are very easily available and the procedure is very simple as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So we'll begin with the ingredients. I'm taking honey and instant coffee. If you don't want to use coffee, you can absolutely use sugar. It's just basically we need something granulated, but coffee works wonderfully well. If you have it, you should use that. And a little bit of honey. Give it a good mix so that you get a nice pasty consistency. Now that the paste is ready, I'm going to show you the tool. And the tool is a toothbrush. Yes, an old toothbrush that is lying around the house. The one that I'm using is a soft toothbrush, but feel free to use whichever one you have at your place. Obviously not the toothbrush that you're using right now, matlab thoda obvious hai wo to. But yeah, it'll really help you in exfoliating those lips. Do not put a lot of extra pressure into scrubbing those lips. Just gently scrub it, but give it a good scrub for around 2 to 3 minutes. Scrub, 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 more scrub and scrub and scrub. After scrubbing, I'm taking a wet cotton pad. I've just put water on it, nothing else, and clean the scrub off. And I also ate it. I am so sorry. I can't resist coffee. It's so difficult for me to do that. But yes, the point is that clean those lips. Don't wash it, but take any cloth and just clean it gently. And finally, it's time to moisturize those lips. So I'm using the Body Shop lip balm in the variant watermelon. Use any of your favorite lip balms, oil or petroleum jelly, whatever you use to moisturize your lips, and give them a nice good layer of moisturization. And you're done. It was that simple and it was that quick and very effective, I must add. If you try this at home, definitely let me know. Until next time, bye guys.